One of the most important tools that you'll use during your online English class is the TDSB Virtual Library. There are a lot of different tools, but the first one that you need to know about is under Read, Watch, Learn. You can see that there are many different options here. Since we're focused on independent reading at the moment, I'm going to show you the Teen Book Cloud. This tool will allow you to read anything in their collection online. And there are a lot of different options. You can see that there are graphic novels available, and there's also a really neat tool called Enhanced eBooks. When you're looking at the enhanced eBooks, they have more that they can offer you than a simple online book. You want to make sure that you choose something that's interesting to you, and you can see that one of the options is teen fiction. Another thing to consider is teen high-low fiction. The high stands for high interest, and the low stands for low vocabulary. Since this is independent reading, you want to make sure you pick something that'll be relaxing and enjoyable. So if you get frustrated sometimes with vocabulary, this is a great choice. When you click on a book, it will bring you to a summary, and that will help you decide whether or not you're interested, because you can read a little bit about the plot. If you decide you want to read it, click here on Read Online. What you see down at the bottom in this blue menu are a series of options that will help you as a reader. The chapter menu will take you all around the book. If you need to stop reading, but you want to make sure you don't forget anything, you can bookmark it. You can change things about the text. You could make the size larger to make it easier to read. You might want to space out the words more as well. And if you don't like the way it looks, you can change the font. All of these things will help you to make it visually easier to read. Some people might find that the color options are helpful. You can change the background, and you can also change the text. At any point in your reading, you can add a note if something strikes you as interesting and you know you want to add it to your reading log. There's also a help menu in case you get anything that you don't know how to use. These arrows will turn the page for you. You can go backwards or forwards. This little play button here is really nice. It will take you to an audio recording of the book. I can't show you that right now because my mic's on, but it's definitely worth checking out. If you're not interested in the enhanced ebook, you can also go just into ordinary books. And there are a lot of different options. If you go into fiction, you'll also see that teen high-low, but it will be for books that don't have all of those enhanced options. And if you're interested more in things that are actual facts, you can go into the nonfiction section, just split up into things like history, science, and all sorts of different interesting things. I encourage you to take a look, explore the Teen Book Cloud, and also don't forget that you can explore the rest of the virtual library.